This video brought to you by Exams A to Z, empowering through education.
Hi everyone. Today let us understand the criticality of MSMEs, engines of Indian economy. According to the Niti Aayog India strategy at 75, MSMEs constitutes the significant part in driving the entire Indian economic growth. It is because of its significance in exports and imports, manufacturing output, contribution of employment, and many others. MSMEs contribute 8% of India GDP, 40% of exports, 45% of manufacturing output. Remember, all these three parameters are very important. Even MSMEs constitute the second most employment contributor after agriculture. All this denotes the vitality of MSMEs in Indian economic scenario. On the other hand, MSME is suffering from various critical challenges like lack of ease of credit, severe bottlenecks like manpower related issues, inefficiencies. Next is lack of marketing intelligence and efficient technological support to MSMEs. Overall, MSMEs are suffering from multi-dimensional problems. Thus, we require a holistic approach in which governments across the different levels should give hand-holding support to MSMEs. Otherwise, MSMEs are going to get collapsed. This is especially true in the times of COVID-19 crisis. Thus, we will discuss the MSMEs in a basic way in understanding MSMEs. Next, we also analyze what government has done till now to promote MSMEs. What yet to be done also, because we have seen the various lacunae, various challenges involved in the MSME sector. We will also look at futuristic way in promoting MSMEs as drivers and enablers of inclusive growth in India. First, let us decode the MSMEs in a clear perspective. MSMEs refers to micro, small and medium enterprises. These are defined under MSME Act 2006. The importance of MSMEs is not new to India, because these MSMEs as such were there since ancient times. Like as we all know, India contributed almost 25% of world GDP and up to 14th or 15th century in the form of textiles, in the form of handicrafts and many others. Thus, MSME as a sector, it is closely linked to our cultural linkages also, rich heritage. Thus, MSMEs are integral part of Indian economy. It is also closely linked to the industrialization of rural areas. Remember this, industrialization of rural areas and reconstruction of village spaces or rural spaces. How can we do this? This is because when any school go like when any college going candidates immediately after their graduation they can start some small sector or medium sector and enterprises through which they can provide huge employment, livelihood security, economic security. And then MSMEs, if we establish one MSME, it will lead to the establishment of multiple allied sectors, allied sector establishments. Thus it will lead to ripple effect. This ripple effect will spread to the nook and corner of that mandal or district. Thus we should focus at establishing grassroots level industries. Even this is the main focus of this year's economic survey 2018 to 19. Next, government has taken various measures to promote, to encourage MSMEs in an easy manner. But for all this, government has taken various initiatives. Like government has established one national financial institution like SIDBI, Small Industry Development Bank of India, which is a leading agency to promote MSMEs as a driver of growth, driver of industrial growth of India. Next, SIDBI has taken various initiatives in collaboration with the government. Even the Ministry of MSMEs has taken many initiatives. Some of them are like PM Employment Generation Program. For this, the nodal agency is Khadi and Village Industries Development Commission. Friends, you need to remember this: SIDBI and KVIC. These two are very important institutions which have the ability to propel the industrialization in rural areas, even in the tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Thus, even there are other schemes like Capital Guarantee Fund. Next is Mahila Kair Yojana. Next is Mahila Kair Yojana. PM Yuva Yojana is also there. Next is Z, Zero Effect, Zero Defect. Next, we are employing custom hiring centers. These custom hiring centers will act like a common resource pooling centers. Like we will establish this is like hub and spoke model. Here hub means there will be one center. This center will distribute, will allocate, will give technological support, or it will provide any required infrastructural support for those MSMEs. Next, there are other initiatives like across the sectors, like technology upgradation fund for textile sectors. Even for even MSME sectors will encourage non-agricultural enterprises. This is the major objective of PM Employment Generation Program, PMEGP. Next is government has also taken 58-minute loan, 58-minute, like 1 crore and 58-minute loan portal. Even government has increased the portfolio whenever it procured from PSUs had to procure almost 20% of its raw materials from MSMEs alone. Recently it has increased from 10 to 20%. Please remember, out of this 3% is reserved for women based, like Stand Up India. It is also Mudra loans, Mudra Yojana. These are also flagship initiatives which aims at spreading the industrialization of rural areas, encouraging the young entrepreneurs, promoting the entrepreneurial culture. Thus, MSMEs are considered as a lifelines because it contributes grassroots level economy. It contributes hugely to the grassroots level economy, which in turn will create huge employment generation. This is true especially in non-agricultural enterprises. This is a prerequisite for reaching the targets of Make in India initiative, even partly to Antyodaya Yojana of Government of India, like Sabka Saath Sabka Vishwas, inclusive developmental agenda. All this will happen when we realize the actual potential of MSMEs, because these MSMEs will emancipate the security. It can be livelihood, nutritional, economic of millions of citizens of India. This is also recognized by United Nations. Now, United Nations is celebrating International MSME Day. Not remembering the exact day. It is in the month of October. I think October 15th, like that. I'm not remembering the exact day. But this recognition of MSMEs and celebration of International MSME Day tells us the importance of MSMEs for the entire world's economic growth, and to promote and to limit and to reduce the economic disparities in India and in the entire world. After seeing the entire importance of MSMEs, let us understand what is current state of MSMEs. Currently MSME is suffering from various challenges, critical challenges as such, due to the various interlinked issues like banking crisis and various NBFCs crisis. Like liquidity crunch is severely affecting. Even the crowd out financing is also impacting the financial stability of MSMEs. It all is these all are leading to the stalling of or closing of MSMEs. This is especially true in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Now it is slowly reviving. For the past 5 to 6 years, it is slowly reviving. Previously, MSME sector was at its standstill position in these two states. Next, there are various infrastructural challenges like lack of new technologies. There is obsolete technology is there in MSMEs. Next is lack of affordable electricity connections. This is also a very grassroots level issue which we need to immediately plug it, because presently in the times of Corona, MSMEs are laying idle and they are unable to pay the power bills. That is why government is planning to bring up a new overall package. Even they are also suffering from quality issues and marketing issues. MSMEs products, they are unable to make their imprint in the global arena, in the global value chain, because that brand making is very important. That establishment of Make in India brand is important. That will get into prominence when we improve the quality. That is the Government of India has brought Z, zero effect, zero defect. Even the marketing intelligence, this is very very poor for the MSMEs in the present time, because even though they are able to they are able to produce a wide range of goods, from the handicrafts to the paper, glasses or plastic products, and to the day-to-day essential needs, we are unable to brand it. We are unable to locate the market, like the demand, like there is a gaps, like supply and demand gaps are there, that we need to plug it immediately. By just now, to make the MSMEs drivers and enablers, we need to plug all the above mentioned challenges. How we need to build that? Already Government of India is in the right direction to realize the actual potential of MSMEs, but there should be aggressive promotion, aggressive support is required. This is especially true in the event of in the present COVID-19 crisis. It is because COVID-19 has created a different atmosphere for survival of MSMEs. It has created numerous problems. Now government of India, in collaboration with the states, they have to give lot of relief packages, overhauling packages. Even RBI is going to take and has taken various steps to promote MSMEs. Even the various governments have to take this into consideration to support MSMEs, like in limiting the any loan issues or credit issues or any NPA related issues, like that. Even the recent RBI steps like increasing or decreasing the repo and reverse repo rates will leverage the entire credit culture in India. Thus, even government of India has to aggressively promote the technological upgradation of various MSMEs. Like MSME Samadhan is there, MSME Samadhan. Next is there are various steps are there through which we are able to collaborate with direct with the MSME partners. Thus, there is lot to be done, and we need to do it on an immediate note basis, because MSMEs plays a critical role for the entire economy. This is also important to achieve the inclusive development agenda of the government. Thank you.